Interviewer: Good morning, thank you for coming in today. Can you please tell us a little bit about your background and experience in mechanical engineering? Engineer applicant: Good morning. I have a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering and have been working in the industry for the past 5 years. I have experience in both design and manufacturing, with a focus on product development and optimization. I have worked on projects related to automotive and aerospace industry. Interviewer: That's great, thank you. Can you walk us through a project you have worked on in the past and the specific role you played in it? Engineer applicant: Sure. One project I worked on was a redesign of a fuel system for a commercial aircraft. My role was to lead the team in the design and development of the new system. I was responsible for creating the technical specifications, conducting testing and analysis, and ensuring that the final product met all safety and regulatory requirements. Interviewer: Can you give an example of a problem you faced on a project and how you solved it? Engineer applicant: On one project, we were facing issues with the durability of a certain component. Through thorough testing and analysis, I discovered that the problem was due to a material selection issue. I researched and recommended a different material that improved the durability of the component and solved the problem. Interviewer: Can you tell us about your experience with computer-aided design and simulation software? Engineer applicant: I have experience using both SolidWorks and ANSYS for design and simulation. I am proficient in creating 3D models, running simulations, and analyzing results. I also have experience with programming languages such as Python and MATLAB, which have been useful in automating and streamlining the simulation process. Interviewer: Great, thank you for sharing that. Can you tell us about a time when you had to work with a team to achieve a goal? Engineer applicant: I have had many experiences working in teams to achieve goals. One example was a project where I worked with a cross-functional team to develop a new product. I was responsible for leading the mechanical engineering team, and we worked closely with teams in electrical engineering, software development, and manufacturing. We utilized an agile methodologies to meet the tight deadline and successfully launched the product on time. Interviewer: Thank you for sharing that. Are there any questions you have for us? Engineer applicant: Yes, can you tell me a little more about the specific projects and responsibilities this role would involve? Interviewer: Of course. This role would involve working on the design and development of new products for our clients in the automotive industry. You would be responsible for creating technical specifications, conducting testing and analysis, and ensuring that the final product meets all safety and regulatory requirements. The role also involves working closely with cross-functional teams and utilizing computer-aided design and simulation software. Engineer applicant: Thank you for that information. I am very interested in this role, and I am confident that my skills and experiences align well with the requirements. Interviewer: Thank you, we will definitely keep you in mind. We will be in touch with next steps. Engineer applicant: Thank you for your time and consideration.